Pro pipe. What's going on, guys? So today we had a call for no cooling. So what I did, we went over there as a train unit. I bypassed the thermostat, jumped the wires to call for cooling. The transformer blew out. So we replaced the transformer. There's my apprentice right there putting a fuse in line for that 24 volts. So I was like, hey, let's go down, check the contactor and see what's going on. Lo and behold, boom. Wrong ohm reading. You know it should be around 14, 15. So I have one on the truck. We tested that one. There you go, about 14 ohms reading. So I had my apprentice replace this. Sorry, I did not take a video after the fact, but we replaced the contactor and everything worked fine and it turned on great.